Hey guys, it's been nothing, it's only been raining. This is the second day of rain. I'm so damp that I'm actually sitting in the car trying to warm up and get the chill out of my bones. So it's rain. I haven't been able to go swimming yet. This campsite, or this campground I should say, out of 10, I'm going to rate it a 3. Well, maybe I'll give it a 5. I'll give it 50 because the view here on the lake is stunning. The trees and all that stuff are great. The campsites itself are not the best. They throw a pile of sand on, which wasn't raked down to level it out. So my tent is not level at all. So I'm sleeping on a kind of a slope, and my air mattress keeps deflating. But time with family is precious, so that's all that matters really. But if you happen to come across Mississagi Provincial Park, I suggest you skip it unless you like to be carried away by black flies and mosquitoes and horseflies and any other kind of flying bug insect. I don't mind mosquitoes, and I bought one of those Thermosil from Canadian Tire that's supposed to give you a 15 feet dome radius of protection against mosquitoes. Now, when I first tried it, it seemed to be working okay. Now, I've put the second pad in the machine, and I don't know if it's just because it's damp and rainy, the mosquitoes it's not working. And it's not in the water or the rain, it doesn't seem to be doing its job. So, poor little Gracie has been bitten. But she's a fighter. She's a trooper. She's not complaining about the bites, so that's good. Alright guys, I'm going to end it here.